So yp is nothing but 1 upon d plus 1 into e raised to x into 1 minus e raised to minus x the whole raised to minus 1. I can take this 1 minus e raised to minus x in the denominator, so it will become 1 upon d plus 1 e raised to x upon 1 minus e raised to minus x. We can write e raised to minus x as 1 upon e raised to x. So here it will become 1 upon e raised to x. I am cross multiplying, so here it will be e raised to x minus 1 upon e raised to x, and this e raised to x will go in the numerator. It will become e raised to 2x, and in the denominator we will have e raised to x minus 1. Now again this equation is now of the form 1 upon d plus m into v. Okay, so again we are going to apply the same formula, that is e raised to minus mx integration of e raised to mx into v dx. So e raised to minus m is in our case is 1, this part is v. So m is 1, so e raised to minus x integration of e raised to x into v into dx. We have to perform this integration. If you observe in this integration, e raised to x term is repeating, so we will substitute e raised to x equal to t. Then e raised to x dx will be dt. So we can write this e raised to x into dx is nothing but dt, and this e raised to x is t, so e raised to 2x will be t square. So this term will be t square upon e raised to x is t minus 1, and integration e raised to minus x will remain as it is. So now we have to perform this integration, but this integration is very complex, but we can simplify this integration as yp is nothing but minus e raised to minus x integration of t square upon t minus 1 dt. So this is very complex integration, but what we can do is integration of t square. Here we have minus 1, so we need t minus 1, so we have to add one more 1 because it should be t square upon t minus 1 dt. I am just adding and subtracting 1 in the numerator. So e raised to minus x integration of, I am going to separate this term and this term, that is t square minus 1 upon t minus 1 plus 1 upon t minus 1 dt. Now t square minus 1 can be represented as t plus 1 into t minus 1. So this 1 t minus 1 will get cancelled from here, so we get minus e raised to minus x t plus 1 plus 1 upon t minus 1 into dt. So what is integration of t? Integration of t is t square upon 2 plus integration of 1 is t plus, what is integration of 1 upon t minus 1? It is nothing but log of t minus 1. But in our question we have all the terms in terms of x, so we are again going to substitute t equal to e raised to x. So this equation will now become t square will be e raised to 2x upon 2 plus t will be e raised to x plus log of e raised to x minus 1. So this is our yp, and our final solution will be y equal to yc plus yp, and this is how we solve the problem on higher order differential equation type 6. More such types we will see in our next video, so stay tuned for our future lectures.